See my mat? I'll put the link to this down in the description, but I bought this thing on Amazon. It's called something like a Guardian anti-fatigue mat. You cut this out to fit your mower, and it cuts down on the vibration when you're mowing. And I put a little one on my brake pad too. Even on the Cheetah with the suspension deck. I also wanted to share, I have a lot of guys ask me about my seat. I got the seat at seatwarehouse.com. I don't know if it's on there anymore. I think you can find one similar on eBay. It's got lumbar over here on the side, and of course the adjustment for the bottom. I've tried all the different suspension platforms and stuff on my Kubota, on my Gravely. I find this seat much more comfortable than those suspension systems. I didn't have to fab it up at all. I did cut some of the seat on the back. I don't even think I needed to, but everything fit except I didn't put the seat belt on there. So if you're like me and you've got a bad back, anti-fatigue mat, nice seat, even on the Cheetah II platform, it does an awesome job. Seat fits well, and I'm a tall guy, 6'6", fits me well. And I don't feel the vibration that I do at the end of the day after mowing my yard and the neighbor's yard. So just wanted to share.